Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset any Android phone. So you might just feel like resetting your Android phone because of some issues and you just want to set up fresh to get a fresh start feeling again and to stop all the lagging and bug issues and a lot. So I'm going to show you easy step on how to do that. First thing you need to do is you have to open up your phone settings just like this and scroll down all the way to accounts and backup. So you can either choose to back up with your Samsung Cloud or your Google Drive. So you can just choose anyone and it's going to load up. All you need to do is click on backup now. So once you click on that, it's going to start to back up. After doing that, you go back and let's go to where you can now reset your phone. So you can see general management right there. Click on that and you can see reset. Once you click on reset, it says reset all settings, reset your mobile network, reset Wi-Fi, and you can see factory data reset. Click on that and you can see a lot of things right here. So all your data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, the settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures and all other user data, server provider apps and content, the description key for files and on your SD card. So you won't be able to use this unless you have a backup. So after doing that, you can now scroll the way down and click on reset. So once you click on reset, the phone is going to reset and everything will be cleared up and you have to start up again. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.